Congratulations po Ma'am Eli and husband. Sana po ay magkaroon kayo ng mahaba at masayang pagsasama. God bless at sa inyo at yung inyong pamilya.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Alparo. Congrats on your wedding day. May God grant you wisdom, blessings, and more happiness. Once again, congratulations.
Hi Eli, congrats! Sa wakas, ikakasal ka na rin. Yay! Good luck sa new chapter and enjoy from Gab ng Tarimonde. Bye-bye!
Hey Eli, congratulations sa wedding mo. Nagulat na lang ako. Kakasal ka na pala bigla. Hindi, pero it's been a long time coming and I hope you'll have a good family and good health and what else can I say? Congratulations. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Eli and your husband, congratulations. Best wishes sa inyo and I hope na maging maayos yung family nyo, maging healthy ang family nyo and sana wag kayong makakalimot na mag-pray para sa inyong family. Enjoy!
Hi Ate Eli, Aldrix nga pala. Just want to congratulate you at ang iyong asawa sa inyong kasal. Nawa ay pagkalooban pa kayo ng Panginoon na tuloy na magagandang biyaya at nawa ay magsama kayo ng puno ng pagmamahalan. Mag-iingat kayo palagi. Congratulations ulit, Eli. God bless.
Congrats, Eli, inaanak. God bless.
Hi Eli, I'm so happy to see you to hit this beautiful milestone in life. Cheers to a lifetime of happiness to you and your husband. Always remember to be each other's biggest cheerleaders, just like you were such a supportive teammate back in our office days at Sarimonde. Through all the busy seasons of life, may you always find time to slow down and simply enjoy being by each other's side. Enjoy and good luck. Congratulations!
Hi Eli, finally ito na. Alam mo naman na from the start, parang sinabi mo na you're getting married na after all that you have been through. Ito na, finally. Sobrang happy ko. I wish you a lifetime of happiness and love with you and Carlo. Yun lang, congrats. Love you.
Pass! Teamwork!
Pass!
Love!
Pass!
Lifetime happiness!
Pass!
Congratulations, Eli and Carlo!
Congrats, Eli and Carlo. Happy marriage.
Congrats Eli and Carlo, and ito na yung simula ng habang buhay nyo. Kaya sana lagi nyo pipiliin ng isa't isa kasi marami pa kayong pagdadaanan. God bless you!
Hi Eli and Carlo, happy marriage sa inyong dalawa. Wishing you a lifetime joy, love, happiness, and success sa inyong marriage life.
Hi Eli. First of all, I would like to congratulate you kasi I've heard that you will get married soon. No? Wishing you and your husband a prosperous life. And sana you're both mentally, emotionally, and physically prepared since this will be a lifelong commitment. And you always put first God in every decision that you will make, especially right now na magbibuild kayo ng family together. Ayan. Again, congratulations and God bless.
Hi Eli, congrats sa kasal niyo ni Carlo and yung wish ko lang sa inyo is happiness and good health sa inyo ni Carlo and kay Yuan din. And sana maging successful yung siya ngay business niya or kung ano man business yan. And keep happy and stay safe lagi.
Hi Eli, wala nang eme-eme. I'm just genuinely happy na ikakasal na kayo ni Carlo. And I'm very honored na kabilang ako sa magiging abay ninyo. Just so you know, we're always going to be there. We're always going to show up, just like we always do. For you, for Carlo, and for you, Juan. So in this milestone, and for the married life to come, expect mo na andyan lang kami always to support you. So congratulations, and I'm very excited for your wedding.
So, ayun ho, finally, ito na yung moment na iniintay natin. So, congratulations and best wishes to you, Eli and Carlo. So, ako, I'm wishing you successful, joyful, and good marriage. Yan. So, stay in love and stay happy. Best wishes.
Eli, congrats! This is it! Ayan, kaya naman I'm very, very happy for you. Isa na naman itong milestone ng buhay mo and I'm glad that we are a part of it. Kaya lagi mo lang tatandaan that no matter what happens, kahit na ano-ano pang mga milestones ang dumating sa buhay mo, lagi lang kami magiging nandito for you and syempre pati na rin sa family mo. And yun, excited na ako sa special day mo. For sure, magkakaiyakan na naman tayo. Kaya best wishes and dagdagan mo na si Yuan. Love you!
Hi Eli. First of all, I would like to congratulate you kasi I've heard that you will get married soon. No? Wishing you and your husband a prosperous life and sana you're both mentally, emotionally, physically prepared since this will be a lifelong commitment and you always put first God in every decision that you will make, especially right now na magbe-build kayo ng family together. Ayan. Again, congratulations and God bless.
Hi Eli! I just want you to know how happy I was nung malaman ko na ikakasal ka na. Much more kung gaano ako ka-surprise nung malaman ko na kukuhanin mo akong ninang sa kasal. So, I am so happy for you and Carlo kasi yung pag-aasawa, it is really a choice. And I know that you have been together for years and marami na kayong challenges na pinagdaanan. But despite of those challenges, you still decided to commit yourself and your lifetime together. And kung meron mang pinaka magiging masaya with this decision, I know that it will be you one. So, congratulations and we are praying for a better and a happier life with your family in this new journey or chapter of your life. Congratulations, all the best, and see you soon.
Hello, Tita. First of all, I want to say thank you kasi simula bata ako, parang nandyan ka na for me and madami tayong memories na nagawa. And every time na dati pupunta kayo doon, palaging, alam mo yun, palaging love. Tapos, all I want to say is congratulations. I'm so happy for you dahil ikakasal ka na. And, yes, thank you dahil mabait ka sa akin. Kasi, the pinaka-mabait for me. And yun, I'm so happy for you and happy wedding day. Sana maging masaya ka and sana madagdagan pa si Yuan. Kahit ayaw niyo magkakapatid. And yeah, love Kika and her family. Love you, Tita.
Dear Tita and Tito, congratulations on your wedding today. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and laughter. May your days together be filled with joy and wonderful memories. We love you and congratulations. Happy wedding.
Happy wedding, Mommy Alay. Happy wedding, Daddy Carlo. I love you.
Hi, Tita Ilay!
Hi.
Happy wedding!
Happy wedding, Bunso!
Mahal na mahal ka namin! I love you!
Congratulations to your coming wedding
day. Maging malakas at masigla sa pagsama ng inyong dalawa. Yun lang.
At bunso, happy wedding and maging masaya lagi. At God bless, nandito lang kami para sa iyo.
Masaya kami na ikakasal na kayo at sana ay gawin ninyong laging sentro ang Panginoon sa inyong pagsasama at i-bless pa kayong ng Panginoon ng higit pa. Yun lang.
So yun ang aking nais. Sana ay kayo laging matatag sa inyong pagsasama. Sana ay kayo maging healthy lagi sa inyong mga ginagawa, sa inyong mga trabaho. Tapos sana ay magkaroon ulit kayo ng bagong anak.
So Ate Eli, happy wedding sa inyong kasal. Tapos sana ay maging sa journey nyo bagong kasal ay i-guide kayo ni Lord and sana ay more blessings pa sa inyong pagsasama. So yun lang.
Okay, once again, happy wedding!
Hi Eli and Carlo, congratulations sa inyong wedding. So Eli, finally magiging Mrs. Alparo ka na. Handa ka na ba? Wala nang atrasan yan. So ang wish ko sa inyo ay magandang pagsasama, masaya, at sana maging sentro ang Diyos sa inyong pagsasamang dalawa. Ingatan nyo ang bawat isa't isa, at kung may mga problema kayo, sana ay maging sandigan nyo ang bawat isa. So, yun lang. Happy wedding ulit. God bless. I love you.
Mommy and Daddy, I know it's almost your wedding. Thank you, Daddy, for being always on my side, for letting me to go to the place where I want. And Mommy, thank you for always defending me and Daddy. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Happy wedding. Happy wedding. I love you.
Hi, Eli. We are very grateful sa pagkakaroon namin ng anak na gagaya mo. Ang papa at ako ay napaka-proud sa iyo sa mga achievement mo. Mula pa elementary hanggang high school. Kahit yung ibang mga pangarap ng papa ay hindi natupad para sa iyo. Pero ipinagmamalaki ka namin. Hindi ka namin pinabayaan o lagi ka namin sinuportahan hanggang sa ikay maging ganyan na nga. Eli, sana'y matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo para sa iyo at para sa pamilya mo. Sana'y bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at malusog na pamilya. Yun lang ang message ko sa iyo. Alam mo namang mahal-mahal ka namin. Love you, Eli.